Okay, a few of you mentioned that I forgot my hat yesterday, so I have it on today. Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for day 8 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And I'm excited about this. I'm so curious about what this is. Yesterday we got the charm pack that's kind of odd colors. Today, I don't know what it is. Let's find out. That one looks like it was taped shut again. That's weird. Okay, whatever. What is this? Looks like a sweater. Poly-Therm fleece. Oh, okay. I like this Bosel company. Poly-Therm fleece. Oh, there is something else in here. A Starlight table runner. Huh. Okay, it goes with our squares, which is what I kind of thought. Wonder why we got Poly-Therm fleece. Give me a second. I'm going to read this real quick. Okay. So there's a bonus project in here along with this beautiful table runner. Look at how pretty that is. This would be great for Valentine's Day, even after Christmas. That's really cute. But there is a bonus project in here to make, it looks like right here, hot pads. And that's what this, I think, is for. But this is great. I'm excited about this. What a wonderful project. How pretty is that? That's just beautiful. Oh, I want to make that. I will make it, or I'll at least make the hot pad. We'll see. Okay, so exciting. All right, I didn't dig out day 9. I'm really unorganized today. Don't know why, but we'll deal with it. I'm going to dig out day 9, and I'll be right back. All right, before I show you day 9, I'm giving you a warning. I'm going to show day 9. I'm going to try to guess. Fair warning. It's this box. It's not super heavy, so I don't think it's like a mug or anything. It's interesting. I don't know what this is. I have no clue. If you have any guesses, let me know. I'd love to hear. Okay, let's talk about totals now. So I did put this down as an $11 charm pack. I know it's probably not $11. I don't know. I don't know. It's not a whole bunch of different prints, but still I wanted to be consistent with the charm pack cost. And it is the same amount of fabric you get in a charm pack. So I'm sticking with $11. So that brings our grand total to $94. And we are just, well, today was day 8, but I don't have today's totals in there. So up until day 7, we're at $94. That's pretty incredible, isn't it? So you can see now on the screen the breakdown of all of that. If you want to pause to take a peek, I also have all this information on my blog and I do update it daily. So you can check that out. I will see you tomorrow for day 9, right? Day 9 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I can't wait to see what this is. I'll see you soon.